My name is Patricia Baronowski-Schneider, CEO of Pristine Advisors, investor relations, public relations, and media relations and marketing firm. I have over 35 years experience working in the industry for clients around the world in just about every niche possible. It explains how to filter keywords based on keyword determination percentage. I'm not affiliated with them or whatnot. The very easy range is 0 to 14, which will lead you to the lowest level of competition. In addition to keyword intent, you'll also need to consider keyword relevance. There's another type of keyword from position 16 to 50 which exists. The low-hanging fruit are also good targets, but they should be placed second on the list after the low-hanging fruit. And last but not least, I categorize keywords 51 to 100 as clustering opportunities. It's likely that a page that doesn't rank in the top 50 isn't targeted enough if it doesn't rank in the top 50. For achieving brand awareness, any keyword ranking number 50 or higher is best for targeting. There's a page about YouTube targeting options that I looked at. The target keyword phrase on that page is too long and the page isn't sufficiently targeted to rank for it. The dedicated page can be created for this particular keyword phrase and you'll rank much better if clustered. With that said, Google's #1 goal is to deliver the most relevant results, so clustering is an excellent way to increase organic search traffic and increase topical relevance, both of which can boost the performance of all your pages within the cluster. Utilize it to your advantage. As a second method for finding keyword opportunities, I use SEMrush again, not affiliated, but I use their keyword magic tool. After clicking on it, I go to the keyword research section and find keyword magic tool. You can begin your search any way you want, but the key is using filters effectively. I would generally avoid this head keyword if I were using SEO, for instance. Although it's not the best opportunity, it's a good place to start to find better ones. When I start with the filters, I usually start with the lowest KD and work my way up. The first thing you'll notice in that case is that there's a lot of irrelevant keywords, which can be combated in two ways. Select only the targeted language in the language filter to eliminate more irrelevant keywords. I would use the exclude filter. Once this is done, you should have a nice pool of keywords for consideration. The process of adding each relevant keyword to your keyword list should be repeated as you go higher up the KDE ladder. And once you have tapped out all keywords specific to SEO or whatever your broad topic might be, you should search on Wikipedia for relevant subtopics within the larger vertical. Regarding SEO, I found website traffic, site maps, keywords, links from other websites, meta tags, and the list goes on and on. Explore even more ideas with these starter phrases. To go a step further, I recommend using Google's People Also Ask section along with the two methods I just discussed. As part of the People Also Ask feature on Google SERP, users are provided with additional questions that they might have to their original search query and quick answers to them. A featured snippet is typically included with each question in the People Also Ask section. I'd like to bring up point number 3, which is to use www. I'll put it in the end. In addition to finding the long-tail keyword phrases from Google's People Also Ask section, this tool is incredible for identifying topics that no one else is targeting. Traditional keyword research tools don't show these phrases as options the majority of the time, but you can assume that these are actual searches occurring on Google, since Google wouldn't show them as options in the first place. Real-time keyword validation is provided by the People Also Ask section. In addition to asking questions, the tool streamlines the entire process. You only need to enter a keyword. As you progress, you'll hit the goals of second and third tier since it gets more granular. This is why I use SEO again. Your keyword database should now contain a number of keyword opportunities, but how do you determine which keywords to target? It's at this point that a keyword qualification becomes necessary. The first thing I need to cover before we qualify keywords is one very important point. The primary keyword needs to be selected. Suppose you have a page ranking for, say, New York pizza shop, Italian restaurant, personal pizza in New York, and even best New York pizza. Well, since it's all variations of the same main keyword, they should be targeted on the same page. To rank for best New York pizza, you'll need to select the variation with the highest search volume. Due to its different intent, this keyword deserves its own dedicated page. Now just keep in mind one primary keyword per page as you go through the following steps. Taking that into account, there are several factors that will help you filter your keyword list. Number 1 is where are you at the moment. You should prioritize existing keywords that are ranking well. Minimum search volume number 2. It's recommended that you conduct 100 searches per month, at least for most industries. However, if you're targeting a local market, you may want to adjust this number downward. The third factor is keyword difficulty. As your site builds more topical authority and backlinks, you can move up to higher competition keywords. As you work your way up the funnel, focus on keywords with transactional intent first. Relevance is number 5. Your core offering should always be prioritized over keywords that are not hyper-relevant to them. So if I sell media training, keywords like media training New York are super important, but keywords like media mention aren't as important since they're not really directly relevant to my core offering. The issue is relevant in general, but it shouldn't be a top priority. The sixth number is trend. Whenever you struggle to choose a keyword, pick the one that's trending the best for you. On the Overview tab of SEO Rush, you can find trending data. And number 7 is click-through potential, which is the last consideration for qualifying keywords. A website with many SERP features and ads will have a lower conversion rate. By looking under the SERP features column in SEMrush, you can easily see how many SERP features are present. Once you've selected 50 to 100 keywords, use these 7 factors to find the best keyword opportunities. This is where keyword prioritization comes into play, as you need to decide which ones are best to target. You can use a few factors to prioritize your keyword set. Mostly, you'd want to prioritize keywords based on content and backlinks for content. For individual keywords, you'll need to gather word count targets. Click on the On-Page and Technical SEO checker under the On-Page and Technical SEO section. To collect the target word count, run each primary keyword through this tool. Look under Content Length and on the Top 10 Benchmarking tab. You should target the top 10 averages shown by SEMrush. Again, this is just the one I'm using. You'll be able to determine your budget by identifying the ideal length. In addition, backlinks play a role in prioritization. Find the primary keywords using the keyword tool. Here, so again, for example, if I use CarMax used trucks, referring domains are listed under SEP analysis under the ref domains. Ranked pages are also linked by a total number of unique domains. You should get the average ranking of these top 10 pages. So in this case, let's put the cost of acquiring a backlink at $300 per primary keyword based on the time and resources involved. You can now estimate based on the content length and the total number of backlinks. Is this keyword expensive to rank? In other words, can you prioritize keywords with the lowest investment or which will be the most profitable to rank for? So that's how a professional SEO conducts keyword research. So wishing you the most successful SEO for your business. Feel free to like, subscribe, comment, share this post with anybody you think would find it valuable. And don't forget, click the bell notification to find out about future videos. As the title of my post says, been there, done that. I guarantee you through the years, I've done it all. Through my decades of working in the industry, I've learned a lot. I've learned from many mistakes, and I can help you put you in front of the audience that matters most to you. Contact me at 631-756-2486. You can also email me at PBaronowski@Pristine Advisors. That's PRISTINEADVISERS.com. You can also find out more about me on my website at pristineadvisors.com. You can also find out more about me on my other website at PBaronowski.com.